Some industries anticipate the variations in the business cycle, while others follow with a delay. These leading industries are riskier, meaning that they pay a premium to investors. Old-time miners would have never ventured into the tunnels without canaries. The birds, more sensitive than man to noxious gases, would die sooner than humans in case of a dangerous leak. Thus, they would provide the miners with enough time to run for their lives. In a paper with Tatyana and Christian, we found that the same applies to industries. The more sensitive to certain variables anticipate cycle variations and can be considered the canaries who give other sectors time to react. We call these industries leading industries. The leading industries' cash flows help predict the cash flow of lagging industries. In addition, their price-driven ratio has forecasting power on industrial production and unemployment above and beyond that of other common forecasting factors. Leading industries provide valuable information for industries that go through aggregate economic fluctuations with a delay. As a result, lagging firms are safer than leading firms. We have calculated that US-listed firms in leading industries pay an average annualized return of 3.6% in addition to whatever is paid by lagging industries. Part of this premium is due to the fact that the leading industries are per se riskier than lagging industries. We estimated that the premium paid for the pure information timing is about 1.5% per year. Leading industries, however, are not so easy to detect. In the data that we analyzed, no industry is constantly leading the cycle or lagging behind the cycle. The IT sector, for example, was leading the cycle in the late 90s, whereas real estate and the financial sector were leading immediately before the 2008 financial crisis. When investors care about the timing on information, and you think about an environment with the multiple industries subject to different shocks that diffuse slowly over time, you can prove in a general equilibrium model that actually leading industries must pay a higher premium because they are perceived as riskier.